Hey gardeners, welcome back to Nature's Fix. I'm excited to share 3 super simple tips that'll make your soil healthier and your plants way happier without any harsh chemicals. Whether you've got a few pots on a balcony or a backyard full of beds, these tips are easy, natural, and they work. Ready? Let's dig in. First up, add organic matter. Your soil thrives on good food, just like us. Compost, shredded leaves, grass clippings, these are gold for your garden. Just spread a 1 or 2 inch layer of compost or leaf mold right on top of your soil. Don't worry about digging it in. Nature and earthworms will do that for you. Organic matter helps your soil hold water, feeds those awesome microbes, and makes everything drain better. Think of it like giving your soil a nutritious snack that lasts. Tip 2. Plant cover crops. These are special plants like clover, field beans, or mustard that you grow when your main crops are done. Cover crops are like living mulch. They fix nitrogen, stop erosion, and choke out weeds. Simply sow them after harvest, let them grow a bit, then chop them down before they flower. Leave those cuttings right on the soil to break down. Trust me, your soil will thank you with more nutrients and better structure. Tip 3. Avoid disturbing your soil. I used to dig and till everything, but I learned the hard way that it actually makes things worse. Tilling breaks up soil structure, messes with the good fungi, and brings weed seeds to the surface. Instead, try the no-dig method. Just layer compost or mulch on top and plant straight into it. The worms and microbes will handle the rest, and you'll end up with healthier plants and way fewer weeds. Quick recap. 1. Add organic matter regularly. 2. Plant cover crops during the off-season. 3. Skip the tilling and go no-dig. Just start with one of these tips and watch your garden come alive. Remember, nature knows best. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to Nature's Fix for more natural gardening tips. Happy planting!